I'm Savitri, mother of Krithesh from Playgroup. First of all, congratulations, ma'am, on this annual day. I would like to thank everyone for this occasion, so memorable, not only for the kids, for parents as well. And all the performances by kids are mesmerizing. I truly appreciate all the efforts put by the kids and staff. And when my kid joined into this skill, he was little bit scared by seeing new environment of school. Later, he adjusted into the school, and he's very good. He has improved a lot. And I have seen many improvements in my kid, like on oratory skills, like that. Thank you so much, ma'am. Such a good care on my kid. And I thank you for everyone, like headmasters and teachers and the whole staff, to bringing my son in a good way. I wonder like how a school can change a good shape of my child in such a short time. And thank you so much. Thanks for being so supportive. And I would like to give one parent tip, like we have to spend quality time with our children by paying some attention, like playing activities like that, so that we can give more attention with the children and will give the strength to our children. It improves our stress relief and mental strength as well. Looking forward to be a part of many more events like this. Thank you so much.